Welcome to service at Land Rover Naperville. When you purchase your vehicle from us, you didn't just get a car, you got a team. And we're here to make every mile ahead simple, smooth, and stress-free.
Congratulations on the purchase of your new Land Rover. My name is Tony. I'm the service manager at Land Rover Naperville. Let me introduce you to our service team.
Hi, I'm Ernie, your service advisor. I'm here to make sure your appointments are scheduled properly, and if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer.
Hey, I'm Antoine, your certified technician. I'm here to get your vehicle back on the road safely and as quickly as possible.
Our certified team is here to answer your questions, guide your maintenance schedule, and ensure your experience is always first class. Your first service visit is fast and easy. Whether you schedule online, by text, or through your vehicle's app, we'll keep you updated every step of the way. Enjoy amenities like complimentary multi-point inspections, available loaner vehicles, and transparent recommendations from factory-trained technicians.
We look forward to taking care of you and your vehicle.
Welcome to the Land Rover Naperville family.